Today we are looking at the Bosch KGN34VW20G fridge freezer in white. Visit the Cool Kitchen website, link in the description below this video for more information. Keep your food fresh and cool with the Bosch Exxcel KGN34VW20G fridge freezer in white. Cool technology. Store your food in perfect conditions with the Bosch Exxcel KGN34VW20G. With its A+ energy rating and added NoFrost technology, their KGN34VW20G maintains optimum performance and minimises maintenance. Premium features including multi-airflow cooling, which improves the circulation of the air in the fridge, and super freeze technology, which rapidly freezes newly introduced items, demonstrate Bosch's commitment to bringing innovative technology to the kitchen. Total storage. The Bosch Exxcel KGN34VW20G features a selection of shelves and drawers for optimum storage of your food, both in its fridge and freezer compartments. The fridge has 4 safety glass shelves, of which 3 are height adjustable. A metal bottle rack provides stable bottle storage, and the clever, crisper box keeps your salad and vegetables fresher for longer. The well-proportioned freezer has 3 transparent freezer drawers and 1 big box for larger items. Accommodate all of your refrigeration demands with the freestanding Bosch Exxcel KGN34VW20G fridge freezer. Click on the Cool Kitchen website, link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.